Okay, Cokey, well, it seems I made some sort of alcoholic blunder yesterday and clipped my vid, so here it comes again. And if there's nothing else you take from this little montage, is that when life deals you a lemon, you just go and make lemonade. Hope you enjoy it. Bing bong. Good evening, my tumble towerers. Pump up the volume, pump up the jam. We are off for a night shift, last one tonight. So off Thursday, what's days today? I think I'm off for 3 days or something. So as you can see, we have a carload of dues. I've got 2 baskets to the left of me. There, Madj is going to Love Foot for their first 10 mile. I think we'll get 8 sitting in here. And we should have about 37 in the back who will be going for their second spin to Dalton. Nice to get the birds into the car for a wee overnighter. Get them used to having a wee drink in the basket. So yeah, we'll Dalton first in the morning with the 35 for 20 miles and then pop into Love Foot on the way back, chuck up the other 8, and Madj is pretty much caught up. Good news on the horizon, our ETSs are being posted in the morning. It's always nice to get the clips on so you can feel you're getting a bit closer to the action. I've never had very young birds ETS before, so I hope I don't fuck it up tomorrow. So yeah, racing starts on the 17th, which is only 2 weeks away, I believe. 2 weeks away? Maybe less than that. Maybe a week on Friday. Anyway, we'll be on point. So 20 at Dalton tomorrow, 20 miles at Dalton tomorrow, 35 birds. We're going to try and get a Gretna in over the weekend, which gets us up to the 40 miles, and then into Sharp 66 the following week. Love it! Great to be getting ready to Hugo Go-Go. The birds are in tip-top nick, fingers crossed, but we're not just jinxed it. And yeah, see you in the morning from Dalton Hill. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlefish. Today we have a patron. TTR has picked up a sponsor. So today I dedicate this vlog to Michael Pagan, who has very generously donated a selection of chick beers that are just out of date. Marvellous, what a generous thought. Don't know what the fuck they are, but I can assure you, today's going downhill anyway. Stick with me for the next 15-20 minutes. I think it's quite funny.
Okay, morning. Waiting on the birds coming from, I think it's Dumfries today. There's a story to that, but I'll let Chip tell it. It's not funny, it's not funny. So we're waiting on the birds. So it's stopped raining here. Just waiting on the birds. They were released at 11:15. It is now 11:30. Yeah, I think this day might go downhill very fast. Crap, we're not looking so nice now. Hopefully it's just in this area and not where they're coming from. On the birds coming from Dumfries today. I think it's Dumfries. I don't think it's Dalton. I think they've all been released together at Dumfries, so it's a wee bit further than I wanted my B team to do, but there is a reason why. But we'll get back to that one. So yeah, they've been released about 20 minutes ago in Dumfries. It's a wee bit blowy, but it's the best we can do the now. Okay, I'll get back to you.
Okay, first down the hatch, we're doing the 927, which is an English hopped hazy IPA. Let's see if it's got any alcohol pops in it. No, I can't see what the alcohol is, but tasty. as you would think, like a heavy beer with a bit of a fizz. It's like a darker innocent gun. I like my wheaty beers these days. There you go. That is 927. A fairly tasty little beer rather than a lager. Okay. Well, I don't know if you'll ever get to see this, but this is exceptional by Tumble Tower standards. So last night I went to work, loaded up the car, 50 birds, young birds, to do Lawfoot and Dalton. I think I maybe showed you that bit. Hang on a minute. Yeah, so as I say, headed off to work, loaded up the car, 50 birds, only to be stopped by the police in Her Majesty's Love Shack. To then be informed that some silly Billy has neglected to road tax it, but has also, at the end of last month, let her insurance lapse. Now, I've never experienced this before, but anybody who's in the know of this kind of business will know that that's 2 misdemeanours of a motoring nature. And my fucking car was impounded, sorry, Her Majesty's car was impounded overnight with 50 fucking birds on board. These birds were meant to go to Dalton, as I told you, and they have sat in Euroroute's compound all night. So we've aborted the training toss, and we brought them home, and I'm now going to liberate them at the front door of Tumble Towers. I will be somewhere in the region of the princely sum in total when it's all told. After recovery, etc. The bill will tally somewhere close to 6 penalty points for no insurance and £600 in road tax, fines and recovery. £200 to recover my car for sitting in Euroroute's pound overnight with my 50 birds on board. So there you go, there's a lesson learned. Keep on top of your direct debits, folks. You can get mighty pricey. So July the 6th, training toss. We'll let Madj go first at 20 feet. There you go, kids, that's you home. We will now let Papa Bears go. Okay then, I've given it 2-3 minutes or so. Just to let the palate cleanse, you know, get a tap together. We'll do that en route. So the next one we're going to try, what will we do? We'll do the white. Still water, apparently. Or Brewgooder Cold IPA. I think we'll do that one. It's a very colourful tin. We'll give that one a shot. Let's see. Brewgooder. Got to properly sterilise the palate, you know. Keep the palate up a little bit to cleanse it. Right, here you go. Oh, a wee bit of froth there. Oh, very wheaty. Very hoppy. I'm not sure what that is. You feel a bit bittery, like a bitter fizz. We've got a hell of a depth. Not a bad brew again.
Oh, we've got 5, 6, 7. Got 7. At 11:35. Where have we gone? Oh yeah, 7. Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, They've just joined in. I think they're gyps because I can see a white. Oh, I've got a white out as well. I think there's 18 there actually. 18. 19. There's one just joining in. 3 loner there. Is it joined in? Oh, 1, 2, here's another 2. Heard that even coming with its clacky wings. Where they went. Where did them 2 go? Don't know where them 2 on their own went. Oh, they're there. See them? Up there. Oh god, here's another pail. Oh, right, wait a minute. We've got 2 big pails now. Two big pails. It's a bit better. There's another one. Just pop it in behind. Here. That's my end, that's my bar white plate. Let's get to land, boys. Oh, here's another free. God. Right. We're in landing mode, so I'm just going to... you run to that trap, son. We're in landing mode, so I'm going to sit here and wait for them to land.
And so finally, just in case you cunts thought I couldn't back up, we're going to have Mr. Rumi's March Equinox. These are all about 5.5. And that's 5.4. They're all strong beers, like. So we'll try it. Rumi's March Equinox. Nice tail. A lot heavier. Proper pale. That's a proper pale ale. It's quite nice, quite rich. If you like your pale ale, that's the one for you kids. There you go. Dick ain't on fuck on the loose again, I guess. Hope you enjoyed today's production. I enjoyed making it. Kiko loves shouting about it. And I'm right. Have a nice one. So there you go, people. I'm not making it up. Don't fuck with the law. Because the law won. I fought the law and the law won. Hey ho. Not everything. Have a happy day.